How can I convert spectrogram data to a tensor, or multidimensional Numpy array? I am using keras and have. As per the docs, this gives I assume all of the times will line up, so I don't care about the value of the time, I don't think. The same is true of frequencies. So what I actually need is the values at each time for each frequency, which is given by SXX, or spectrogram, in my code. I'm unsure how to actually do that. It seems simple though.
Based on this URL, the author stated that the spectrogram is a spectrotemporal representation of the sound and shows some of the steps of converting WAV file to spectrogram. One of the example could be as below. The method above is referring to this URL. Hope it can help you.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.